Hi everyone, my name is Dan and I'm a veterinarian, and today we're going to go over kennel cough in the doggy. I'm going to go over my 3 steps, as always, what the pet owner sees at home, how the veterinarian diagnoses kennel cough, and how we treat kennel cough. Moving into our first step, what will the pet owner see at home when a dog has kennel cough? Most veterinarians rely heavily on the pet history. So, has the pet been to a kennel, been boarded? Are they really social at dog parks? Dogs that cough or honk, dogs that cough and then gag and sometimes spit up some sputum, and dogs that cough so aggressively that it sounds like something's caught in their throat. All of those can all be kennel cough. Most of these doggies still eat, drink, and play pretty normally. The only difference is they're coughing. When a pet owner rolls into the veterinarian office to see me, the first thing I do is look the whole dog over. I look for a normal temperature, normal heart rate, lungs are nice and clear. I make sure the dog is healthy. And then after that, one thing I tend to go for is I feel the throat. Dogs with kennel cough have very itchy tracheas or windpipes. So when I palpate their throat, a lot of them want to cough. Or if I take them for a walk or put them through some light activity, a lot of them tend to cough as well. Other things a veterinarian may do, if they're worried about bronchitis or pneumonia, they may take an x-ray to rule those things out to make them more confident that it's kennel cough. A veterinarian, if it's a really bad case, may also do a laryngeal swab for a culture. And based on that culture, they can actually grow the bacteria that causes kennel cough. No matter if your veterinarian just does a physical, or if your veterinarian does an x-ray, or if they do a culture, or in some cases they feel like your dog is really sick, they do some blood work. But in any case, if there's a diagnosis of kennel cough, your veterinarian will do a handful of things then. Your veterinarian will probably do an antibiotic. Antibiotics are a great option for kennel cough because it is a bacterial infection. The veterinarian may prescribe something also to soothe the throat or reduce the coughing, just to allow things to heal. And if my veterinarian pet knowledge has helped level up your knowledge regarding your pet, please like and subscribe. Most cases of kennel cough resolve over a week or 2. Overall, kennel cough is really common. As I mentioned before, even with the vaccine, sometimes you still get kennel cough.